Hi, my name is Brooklyn Tony, and this is my BK1s. However, we're not going to specifically talk about my BK1s, although I probably should make a video about it one of these days. We are talking about one of the common issues on these BK1ss. It's the stock lugs. Now, I have mine attached, but that's because I fixed it. Stock lugs on the stock BK1s are these really thin plastic sections that you see sheared off on mine, molded into the shell. Way too thin to be dealing with the torque of the stock, of you using it, flexing back and forth, up and down, left and right. So of course, being thin ABS plastic, they shear off. Now this is common on BK1ss because I know at least 2 other people who this has happened to. So I developed a fix for it, which is this. This replaces your stock spring retainer. You install it just like the normal spring retainer with this notch down to clearance for the wire. Of course, it's just an insert, push down and rotate and let it click back into place. And this fixes your issue of the stock lugs having sheared off. Like so. Now, this piece, I guess I'll take it apart again. This piece takes about 1 hour to print and only 10 grams of filament. Now, I recommend you doing this at 8 walls or more and 100% infill, and in the toughest material you have on hand. This is out of PLA. It's been pretty good so far, but if you really don't want to have to deal with taking it apart again and fixing the stock lugs, I would print this out of like carbon fiber reinforced nylon if you have it, or something crazy like that. I did experiment with having it printed out of resin. This is supposed to be tough resin, except because of the lack of grain pattern, the shear stress seems to like to shear off the lugs. So I would say stick to 3D printed FDM extrusion printing methods, because this is so quick to print. And yeah, I know it's an issue on BK1ss. I personally ran into the issue during an event, which was fun because I had to strap the battery for my BK1s to my chest rig and run it without a stock, which I will say is a okay way to run a BK1s because of how light it is, but isn't exactly the best way to run a BK1s. And yeah, it's a simple fix. It's one part, takes an hour to print and 10 grams of filament, and it lets you use your BK1s again with a stock without having to get a new shell or RMA or blaster. Is this a flaw of the BK1s? Well, yeah. It's basically the only flaw I've truly encountered. I've had this thing run and jam and get out of sync multiple times, and it sounded like it was breaking, but I opened it up and the metal gears are fine, so pretty reliable. I've fired at least 1,000 darts through this blaster, maybe 2,000, and I've had it for like 4 months now. Hasn't broken. So yeah, quick fix to fix your stock lugs. Thank you.